What's going on, everybody? My name is Wimberley and this is Working with Wimberley, and in this video I'm going to install and review diamond stitched floor mats on this Escalade ESV. There will be an Amazon link in the description if you'd like to pick up a set for yourself. I'm going to start off by showing you all the floor mats that are in the truck. It's just the factory floor mats that come with it. So I have a set of floor mats in the front, have a set of floor mats in the second row, and I do not have a set for the third row. I ordered these off of Amazon. There's going to be a link in the description if you want to pick up a set for yourself. The bag is made of a tarp-like material. So let's get the mats out and see exactly what we have. So this is everything here. You have the two mats for the front row, second row, and third row. And I'm happy with the color. It's pretty close to the Kona brown interior. So let's go ahead and get the old mats out and get these installed. Okay, so it's these little flaps right here that you need to slide behind the trim. All right, here's the mat for the driver installed. And like I said, it was just the two flaps that you need to tuck underneath the trim. Everything else just kind of sits in place. I think that looks pretty good. Let's move on to the front passenger side. All right, now let's move on to the third row. So that's it for the third row. It just sits in place. There aren't any clips to hold it under the trim. But I gotta say, I'm really impressed with the fit. Everything fits pretty well. Now the edges are kind of up. I'm hoping over time it'll relax and lay down. But the fitment is actually really good. Well, that's pretty much it. There's no tools needed. It's just putting the floor mats in place. And the front have a couple clips that you tuck under the trim to hold them in place. But I'm actually happy with it. It's a really good match to the Kona brown interior. And it's also cool because I get a third row floor mat that I didn't have before. If you found that video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.